Welcome. Now, please, if you are not following me on Facebook, follow me up, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So now, here's a question, and this question we are going to simplify. We are going to simplify this question to find the value of x. Want to know what is the value of x? And we cannot know the value of x except what? We simplify the equation and break it down so that we can get it can be very easy for us to find the value of x. So now let's see how it goes. So now I have 9 raised to the power of 2x minus 1, close the bracket. The power is in bracket. So times 3 raised to the power of 2x all over 27, open bracket, x minus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 1. So now we need to do something. We need to break it down so that we can find the value of x, because we see that the x is all in what? In power. The x here is in power. It's in power, which is what? 9 raised to the power of 2x minus 1. So now we'll try our possible best to eliminate this base so that I can find the value of what? Of x. So now what we'll do here is that, let me come to this side. Now what we'll do here is that we'll now set, you know that 3 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 9. Is the same thing as what? 9. So now we break this one down. We now put times it with this one, we have 2x minus 1 close bracket, and I'll say times, bring down this one, this 3 raised to the power of 2x. So now when I say divide by, bring this one, so you see this 27. 27 can also be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. When you use your calculator, you will see it. So it's the same thing. I'm not doing anything to it. I'm just trying to simplify it. It's the same thing. So you now bring this one also, which is x minus 1 plus the bracket is equals to 1. I want to try to make everything to be base 3 or so that I can know how to eliminate the base, because I can't eliminate the base without making it to be what? In base 3. So now this one, now I can clean it and make it 3 raised to the power of 0. You know that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Sorry, is 1. So now is I didn't do anything to it. I just tried to change it so that I can find the value of x. So that you can see that everything is what is in base 3. So you know that for indices, when the same base are multiplying, then you add the power. So I have 3, then this one, let me multiply this one. 2 times 2x, we have 4x minus 2. Now, this one is a minus, so we said 2 times 1 will be minus 2. So now, this times, I will carry one base. Since the base are the same, I'll pick one base there and plus the power plus 2x. So now I'll come down and see 3. Now 3 times x, we have 3x. Sorry, this one has my 1. 3x, then 3 times 1, we have minus 3. So now equals to 1. Oh, sorry, equals to 3 raised to the power of 0. So now, if you can check, you see that what we are breaking it down. Now we need to do another thing here. You know that in the law of indices, when the same base are divided, you minus the denominator from the what? From the numerator. You minus the power. You minus the power of the denominator from the what? From the numerator. So now what you will do here is that you pick one base, which is 3. You see 3 raised to the power of 4x minus 2 plus 2x minus, then you write this one, 3x minus 3, close the bracket, is equals to 3 raised power of 0. So now, you see that the base of this one are the same. You take it away. You will now said base cancel what? Base. All these base cancel. So we will have got 4x minus 2 plus 2x. Now, minus times 3x will have minus 3x, minus times minus will be plus 3 is equals to 0. Now, is this 0 now? I'll write. So now what we'll do here is that we'll collect like time. Now, we will not check we have 4x here, we have 2x, and we have minus 3x. So what will be here is that we'll set 6x because 4x plus 2x is 6x minus 3x. This 3x. So now I have minus 2 plus 3 is equals to 0. So now 6x minus 3x, we have 3x, then minus 2 plus 3, you have plus 1 is equals to 0. Now you have 3x is equals to minus 1 because when the plus 1 cross, it will become minus 1. So now let me use this small side and write the final answer for the value of x. So we'll divide both sides by 3 because it's the coefficient of x. We will have x is equals to minus 1 all over 3. Because when you divide both sides by 3, 3 will cancel 3 here. So here will be what? Minus 1 all over 3. So that will be your answer. When you see now, so you can check now, you see that we simplify. After we simplify, then it will now become very easy for us to find the value of x. Thank you for watching.